What's up, y'all? Today should be super fun. All you shed hunters out there are gonna love this thing. You may have already seen it, but you haven't seen me show you. So check it out. First things first, I gotta build a backdrop. I'll film us doing that while I'm telling you what we're gonna see today. Thanks for watching.
Worked. I can't believe I got that thing off the ground.
All right, this is what I'm so excited about. The new Rack Hub XL. I got a note from the boys over there just saying thank you for the support. I asked for this. This is so freaking cool. So essentially, the model number is an RH2 XL. Rack Hub 2, meaning 2 antlers, extra large, so you can hang big bull elk, moose, whatever, RH2 XL. So ultimately, I'm going to show you that that'll go on your wall, and then both of your sheds in any configuration you want them in. Let's take a set of sheds from this client. He's fond of them and wants them on the wall, and I said, just give me a week, man, it's on the way. If you are a shed nut like I am, then this unboxing is for you. These boys are all about quality. You can tell from that sweet private label box. Once inside, the mount itself comes in a clean foam cradle with all the hardware you need to mount your sheds. I think this thing is wicked cool, hence my asking to demo one. The actual design is well thought out and I think would fit well in any rustic cabin or a modern home. Let me show you how this thing goes. Once you open the bag of hardware, you'll see a drill bit, 2 inserts, 1 for each shed, 2 heavy-duty screws to hold the bracket against the wall, and an Allen wrench to torque from the bottom. Can you see this in there? So I'm gonna put up these sheds today. Nice little set. Client's super fond of them, as you could imagine. Just a great bull. They're heavy, so 14 and 14.5, which is bigger than a normal set of sheds or weight-wise. So I'm gonna take a far-off look of mounting one insert, and then I'm gonna take a real macro look at mounting the other. Then we'll screw it to the wall and take a look. Using the provided drill bit, you're going to want to measure from the tip back 1.5 inches, ultimately the length of the insert, and mark it with a piece of tape so you don't over drill the antler. Okay, y'all, it's critical here. Straight in, straight out. No wallering anything out, because those little splines on the outside of that insert are going to grab that porous interior of that bone. Then just take a rubber mallet or some sort of soft hammer and smack that thing in place. One more look here, nice and tight. Straight in, straight out, smack in your insert. That part is done. Then you want to mount your Rack Hub bracket to the wall with the 2 provided screws. That's it. It's sexy time. Now we got to put the antlers on the mount. This is where it'll take a little bit of finesse. That insert will slide over that post and lock itself in place, and then hand torque that top nut there to get it kind of where you want it, and then grab your Allen wrench, come from underneath, and just give it a ton of pressure, especially with an antler this size. Pull it good and tight. Once you're happy with it, repeat it on the other side, and then stand back and be like, that's what I'm talking about. Real quick before I show you that wide shot of the whole thing, I want to show you how easy they come off and they go back on once it's all set up. So if you ever had to do this for a client, it's super easy to box and freight and ship. It's just, man, it's awesome. More importantly, it's just fantastic to have your sheds on the wall. That's it. That thing is so cool. Special thank you to the boys at Rack Hub for sending me this. I can tell you the owner of these sheds is wicked grateful. You need to be proud of this thing. The amount of engineering and time and thinking that went into this to make it sturdy and beautiful and affordable. Very well done. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested, rackhub.com. Go on there and get you one. That thing is so sweet. I better get it out of the rain.